Hey there, and welcome back to SiteGPT. In this video, we're gonna dive into a new integration that we just launched called the Messenger integration with Facebook. So this Facebook Messenger integration is essentially going to allow your chatbot to live within Facebook Messenger, very similar to what we did with Google Chat. Let's get right into it. First, let's press get started. So you'll notice here that in order to connect to SiteGPT, you are going to need to connect with Messenger and put in this access token. So first thing we're going to do is go to developers.facebook.com, and then we're going to log in. So I'm going to log into this account. All right, now we're going to scroll down after logging in, click on the Messenger platform. Then we go to the top right and click on My Apps, and you can also already see that I've set this up, but I'm going to do it again for you. First, let's press Create App, and then from there, you can pick this section right here for other, and then follow that up with selecting business here or none, whichever your preference is. So I'm gonna put an email here for the app contact, and then I'm gonna just call it Rise Productive Bot. The next step's gonna be create the app. And then we're gonna scroll down and find this Messenger bot, all right? And then after that, after we scroll down, then we're going to press add or remove pages. And I'm gonna select a specific page that I want it to connect to. So let's continue as Dimitri Panici, and then pick this specific page here. Then press save and got it. All right, now you could also have created a new page if you didn't have one already, just a note. Now then what we're gonna do is we're gonna press generate token right here. And as you would guess, after pressing I understand and then copying this, pressing done, we then would paste this into our access token side and press connect. Now, while that looked a little pretty simple, there are a couple other things that you have to do here. So we're gonna keep this open actually. Keep this callback URL open right here. And I'm actually gonna copy it for the meantime. Then we're gonna go back to the Rise Productive Bot, and we're gonna press add callback URL, and we're gonna paste that callback URL in. As you can see, it was right here. And let's add this verify token as well. After adding both of these, we can press verify and save. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, we can press add subscriptions. We're gonna select messages, messaging postbacks, and messaging opt-in. So essentially the top three right here. And also you're going to make sure to select message echoes, then press save, following this up with pressing app roles. So we're gonna pick roles right here. And what essentially is gonna happen is you can see right here in development mode, your app can only request data from users with an app role. So essentially, since I'm an admin, I'm gonna be able to interact with my messaging bot. But until I set this live, it's not actually going to work on the page I have. So let's go to that page that I connected in order for me to actually test out this page and test out the specific chatbot that I had. So I'm gonna go to this page. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna find that page, go right here. So then now what we can do is if I press message within here, you'll actually see that there's a chatbot. I already started talking with this. So I'm actually gonna open it in Messenger, and it works just exactly like how your SiteGPT bot would work itself. So if I type in student discount, it's gonna ask what's the student discount for my Notion templates. So as you can see, I have a 50% discount for templates for students. And if I want to use any of the follow-up prompts, I can, like escalating it and asking for it to talk to somebody. So now in chat history, as you can see, just now I had a conversation escalated, and it functions just like the chatbot would, even from a chat history standpoint. And then if we want to restart the chat, we actually can press restart conversation after pressing this little 3-line option here. And after that, it says, hello, how can I assist you today? Or whatever your other introductory messages, as well as the initial quick prompts, like what is some video production info. And if you notice right here, I can press this thumbs up, and on the back end, you'll see that it actually gives the thumbs up rating inside of SiteGPT as well. Also, if you go to the admin side of your chatbot at business.facebook.com, so essentially the admin meta section for your inbox, you're able to reply to the different inquiries from people as well. These messages will be delivered to the user and stored on the chat history as well. I'm glad you liked that response. Could be something I could manually put. And you'll notice here that the agent/bot ends up being the one responding. And on the messenger side right here, it shows that as well. So very cool stuff. I love the way that this essentially allows people to go to your public Facebook page, have it work as a messenger bot similar to any other platform that has great messenger bots and communication. If you like this update, please let us know. We hope that it helped you implement a new system to help your users understand your products better and your services as well. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out this video on how to improve your skills using SiteGPT even more.